Here I have AMG MS6 and let me show you how to use the door opening warning. Let me show you how to turn on or off this feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now from the following menu, let's switch tabs from driving control to the AMG Pilot. Let's do this. Now you need to scroll. Let's scroll far enough to find here the door opening warning. Let's read the theory about it. So it monitors the areas to the side of the vehicle and issue an alert if there is a collision risk when opening a door. So I think it's really useful feature. I like to have this enabled. As you can see, I've got this feature enabled, but if you know the theory and you would like to still disable this feature, you can do this. Let's just use this feature, tap confirm, and that's it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.